it's 6:05 and guess what? Tada! Dalawa. Pero like, ito muna. Ito. Grabe. If you're gonna guess na. Dali. Oy, oy, oy! I have two. Oy, oy, oy! Actually, alam ko, this one's called Mini. They're called Mini. See? Ito yung bigay. Pero like, pinalitan ko. Whoa. Shorts. Yeah.
Hello everyone, where are you going? Punta tayo ka na Lola Dem. Sila Tonton. Tingnan mo sila Tonton. Busy ang males being males. I miss biking like this. Huh? Di-
Hi Lola! Bless!
Hello po! Bless po!
Para side quest.
Ay, Ton, you're heavy. Ay, ang bigot. Nakita mo? Hello po! Bless po! Ay, anong ginagawa natin, Ton?
I don't want to stop. If I stop,
Mawawalan ka ng momentum. Ton, nahihilo ko. Thank you, Lola.
then we go the other way.
Okay. Uy! Ooh!
Ganyan ba kalabog talaga yan?
Look how greedy these guys are.
Hindi, kasi ano, gaga. Naka-privacy ako.
Anong greedy?
How greedy.
Gorilla! Hey, this is eating. Like,
Yan ang polo ni Lolo. Mine. Ang gaganda.
hashbags.
Let's try. Nag-change ng seat.
Tingnan mo yung may-ari na car, nandun siya sa likod. It's so weird.
Okay, let's go.
Tonton, ang taas ng handbrake mo. Grabe, alam mong lalaki talaga yung nagtaas ng handbrake.
Nice catch!
Ay, sorry.
Oh my
No, ano ba
By the way,
yan?
guys,
Okay. Hi, fam! So, yeah, it's actually 10:17 na, pero minsan lang to. So, like,
Ang ganda ng ano niya, 2-3.
this is my
Pick up scene.
having car. This.
Ayun no, sa...
grabing ano to! Side quest! Guys, see you!
Bye-bye.
See you na! See you, Ton! Thank you!
Oh, diba? Next level, LARPing 1, 2, yeah, cute. Yes, airport glam in her floral PJs.
Yeah!
Galing mo doon, Ton. Very, it's giving...
Aero. No, also, if it's landing.
Hi!
Hello.
Yeah, grabing paglalarp to. Napunta ng airport.
Alam mo, ang goal ko...
Hey guys, we're going home na. Cause like, it's... What time is it na?
Wait, play the music.
Wait, it's...
I'm surprised. You know, before I thought it would not.
It's Adventure Joe.
Ten.
It's 10:53. Oh my days! Lapit na mag-11. Let's
Kaya niyo ba
go!
mag-ano doon in 7 minutes?
Huh?
Yeah?
Kaya niyo ba umuwi ng 7 minutes?
Lipad tayo?
You want me to?
Hindi, wag. Please don't try.
Time check. It's 11:11.
Yes!
You now. Oh wait, no, you can't see it.
Aww!
Grabe attachment niya sa tignan siya. Okay, game.
Wait.
Sa up. Wait, I have my heart at score.
Alright, it's off. Isang kamay lang ah. Ano yan? Ayoko tong game natin.
Ayoko din. Thanks.
Sino nag-call? Ako? Hindi ako. Ako, ginasa ko pa yun.
Sino nagatid sa'yo? Yun.
Ano si Papa? Guys! Ay! Tingnan mo! Makakainis! Wag na! Wag na! Pwede na yun.
Tagal ah.
Wait lang. Nangapit ako.
Si Tornado, si...
Medyo delay siya, guys.
Ala, na Ursula ang voice box niya, wala na. Go.
Nakatulog, no?
Ay, nakatulog.
Serious, that's the word in my face.
Aha.
And then suddenly I bumped into you.
Yes! See your face. And it's nothing like I've ever known before.
Okay, go. Sige.
I'm really emotional.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Can I see? I'm here. Yung mga hobbies ko talaga to. Wala alam mo yung kapag nakita ko siya, syempre
Hino! Yung mga blip! Ano ka ba?
guys, so kaya ako lang, alam mo yun, yung parang ganon. So, Future Jade, meron ka na naman bagong trabaho.
Busin. Ay!
Nino.
Nino Yana.
Runo! Ikaw!
I need extra power.
Put.
Uy! Huwag ka din! Isa ka pa eh!
Ano?
Isa ka pa!
Everybody jump. Welcome. Everybody jump.
Noy, Noy!
Hindi.
For sure kayo okay to ah.
Yeah.
That's all I need to hear. I just like done her hair. Done her hair? Guys, pumunta kami sa kasal. Ki!